Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedytech and this is a speed test between Infinix HOT 6 Pro and the Redmi Note 5. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Infinix HOT 6 Pro sports a Snapdragon 425 processor with Adreno 308 GPU, while Realme 1 sports a MediaTek Helios P60 processor with Mali G72 MP3 GPU. These are the benchmark scores. Purely based on raw performance or the benchmark scores, Realme 1 is way more powerful than the Infinix HOT 6 Pro. So let's see how they perform. By the way guys, I have the 6GB RAM variant of Realme 1 and that's the only variant I have. So I had to use that right now. Now for the first speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, both phones are updated to the latest operating system, and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. So let's see how they perform. In the speed test, Realme 1 was noticeably faster than Infinix, so Realme 1 is the winner. Now for the memory management test, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. So let's see how both the phones perform. In the memory management round, Realme 1 was able to keep more apps in memory. Even in terms of responsiveness while retrieving apps from memory, Realme 1 was faster. Now I've used the 6GB RAM variant of this phone as that's the only phone I have, but if we compare it with the 3GB RAM variant in terms of memory management, it will be a tie. Now let's see how it turns out with the games. Now for the final test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. While opening games, as expected, Realme 1 was noticeably faster than Infinix. That's because Realme 1 has a way better CPU and GPU. So guys, to wrap it up, in terms of performance, Realme 1 is way better than Infinix HOT S3. In the memory management round, considering the price, it can be called as a tie. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and the memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description, it really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Greedytech signing off. Have a nice day.